This is a £143,000 Mercedes-AMG GTR, and this is an £84,000 Nissan GTR. The Merc has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and 700 Nm and is rear-wheel drive. The Nissan has a 3.6-litre twin-turbo V6 with 570 horsepower and 637 Nm. It's all-wheel drive. So, let's have a drag race to see which GTR is quickest. Good start. But 4-wheel drive traction beats me. You're gaining on it now. It's going to be close. It's going to be very close. I'm going to get him. That was so close. GT space R beats GT dash R. Go Mercedes. So, what exactly happened? Well, the Mercedes-AMG GTR covered the quarter mile in 11 seconds dead, while the Nissan GTR took 11.1 seconds. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, locked in third gear. He's got 637 Nm of torque, I've got 700. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Picked up quicker, and I'm gone. And I think that's it. Mercedes GTR won that one as well. Final challenge then, a brake test from 70 miles an hour. I've got common ceramic brakes, he's got normal steel brakes. We're going to brake here at the cone, see what happens. Full emergency stop! Well, that is close. That is very close, but I've got a feeling. It's so close. Maybe he won by the smallest amount, but the difference is so small that it could be down to our reaction times. I'm going to call it a draw. Looks like the GTR won. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Click on the link below the video to go to carwow.co.uk to see how much you can save on a new car or on the windows for more drag races.